It's just as easy to turn off internet connection sharing as well as disabling your mobile hotspot if you're sharing your network connection over Wi-Fi, and we will show you exactly how to do that in this video. So firstly, on Windows 11, you have to open Settings, click Network and Internet, select Advanced Network Settings, choose Advanced Sharing Settings, select a network profile, then toggle off file and printer sharing. Another way is to turn off internet connection sharing by opening Control Panel, choose Network and Sharing Center, then select Change Adapter Settings, right-click on your current connection, then select Properties. Now in the Select Sharing tab, uncheck Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection, then click OK. Lastly, turn off mobile hotspot. In order for you to do that, you have to open Settings, click Network and Internet, choose Mobile Hotspot, then toggle off Mobile Hotspot. After turning off this switch, any devices sharing your internet connection will be disconnected. And that's how to stop file and network sharing on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.